All right, he's going to take a look at his feet. So we'll start from the feet. So his legs are at a 45. How are his toes? Slightly in front of his knees. Push it back a little bit more. All right, he's going to reach up. He's going to go about one thumb off of the smooth. And as a spotter, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lift the bar out to him and place the bar. All right, good. So now you can see I can get my hand underneath. He has a good arch. Now I want to lift this sucker out to him. I want you to walk your shoulder blades. Walk from side to side. Side to side. More. So all of a sudden, okay, good. Now he's going to bring this bar right down below the nipple line. So bring it down and pause it. And most people want to drive the bar back this way to a seam motion. Problem, it's a longer pull. I want him to push the bar straight up to my finger. Good. Elbows at a 45-degree angle. So bring it down. Good. Drive straight up. Good. Big breath in and hold it. The other one is the spotter. Don't ever be this spotter guy. My brother used to do it to me and I'm traumatized. So usually what we'll do is we'll try to step here. This is kind of a little awkward. I usually like one step forward. I'm gonna reach and grab. Don't ever be that guy. It's like, that's uncomfortable.